Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to join class in Google Classroom. So first, let's say this is my browser. I come and click on these dots right here to access the apps, and I scroll all the way down. I can click here for Classroom, okay? Or we can just use the URL, classroom.google.com, and then you just choose the email account you want to authenticate with. We'll just continue with this one. Now here, they'll ask you to either create a class or join class. I want you to click on join class, and you can enter the class code. So either your teacher will send you the link or the class code. Now, you can even get the code from the link. So this is a link right here, right? Now, at the end, you'll see after the equal sign, there is text, right? You can go ahead and copy this. So if I press enter right here, this is the link, right? So with this link, I'm able to join as well, right? See, join the class. Or I can input the class code right here and then click on join. And then you'll see it will actually join me into biology 10th grade, as you can see right here. And this is another option. And you see this is the class code. And this is the invite link. So there you go. We are in the class. Really that easy and simple.